Tool 8 says, if there are two or more prepositional phrases in a row, you can analyze them as separate prepositional phrases, or you can analyze them as one inside the other. Do it the way that is most logical for you. Write that down, and we'll talk about what that means. Got it? Great. Here are a couple of sentences which I've just changed a little bit. My sister is out on a date. We already said that this is a P, this is a P, and this is our OP to make this one prepositional phrase. Now we've added with her boyfriend. Now with is also a P, and with whom, her boyfriend, right? So we can say that this is a prepositional phrase, on a date, out on a date, and with her boyfriend is a separate prepositional phrase. We can say that that's one and then the other. Or, alternately, we can say that this is one inside of another. We can say that out on a date with her boyfriend, well, what is she out on? A date with her boyfriend, right? So we could say that this is a prepositional phrase inside of another prepositional phrase. Okay? Either one is correct. It's just whichever makes the most sense to you. Let me give you another one. The girl lives in the house down the street. Okay, first preposition is in, right? What does she live in? The house down the street. I could say that this whole thing is, in a way, the OP for the question of what the girl lives in, right? But we can say that within that there's another preposition, down, okay? So there's another preposition, down what? Down the street. So again, if it makes more sense to us, we can analyze this as this is a prepositional phrase, this is a prepositional phrase, right? Or we can say that down the street is part of, or part of the description of what she lives in, the house down the street. And so we say in the house down the street. This is a prepositional phrase inside of a prepositional phrase. Confused yet? And again, P plus OP, that's going to be our PP, our prepositional phrase. P plus OP, that's going to be PP. Okay? All right, one more. After class with Mr. Robinson, my head was spinning. You may feel that way right now. First preposition is after. After what? After class. Another one with. With whom? With Mr. Robinson. Okay? Now I'm going to say that class with Mr. Robinson is what the answer to after. Okay? After what? After class with Mr. Robinson. So I'm going to say that this is one big prepositional phrase, but within that there's second prepositional phrase inside of it. Okay. I'm using my logic to determine that. Alternately, I could just say that, hey, these are two separate prepositional phrases, after class and with Mr. Robinson. Either way is correct. It's just a matter of what makes the most sense to you.